this is your that section plane, okay, which is passing through the midpoint of that axis. So this section plane is cutting the O dash, A dash and O dash, D dash. These two slant edges here. Similarly, this O dash, B dash and O dash, C dash. This section plane is cutting these two slant edges here. Okay, so we can give these points some names. Okay, so O dash, A dash, this is point 1 dash, and on O dash, D dash, that point is 4 dash. Similarly here 2 dash and 3 dash. So these points we can transfer it to the top view of that solid. Okay, so this point will be what, 1, and this will be 4. How? If this is your OA and this 1.1 is on the OA. Okay, so when we are transferring it to the top view of the solid, so point 1 will be here. Similarly, point 4 will be here. Similarly, point 2 and 3 you can transfer it to the top view of a solid, and you can join it by a line. Okay, so this is your now top view and front view. Your top view and front view is complete. Okay, remember you don't have to do the that gray portion which is showing here. You don't have to do it. Only you have to make the lines. Okay, and their light means you have to make it with the help of 2H pencil. Okay, the this portion, this other portion will be you can make it from the HB pencil, and this shaded line you have to make it with the help of 2H pencil because they are light. Okay, so your front view and top view is complete. Now you have to make the side view or true shape of that section. Okay, so how will you make the true shape of that section? You have to draw a new reference line, or you can consider the reference line this this line only, 1 dash, 2 dash or 3 dash, 4 dash. Okay, after drawing the reference line, you have to draw the perpendicular lines, right? Then you have to measure the uh, distances of these points 1 2 3 4 from the xy line. So this green line is showing the measurement of the point 1 from the xy line, and you can mark it like that. Similarly, point 4, point 2 and point 3, you can mark it, and you can join it by a solid line, and you have to set this portion similarly you are doing here. Okay, and how will you draw the side view of that section, side view of this solid? You can draw a line like this, then